Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient background as well as like this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So just select an array of colors. I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees or just like scale it up. It's up to you. Add in another color on top and I'm just going to again scale that up. Select mask and select film strip or the split one. Depends on where you want to add in the color. Then just feather it out like so. And then, for instance, you want to add in another color like this red one. Again, scale it up. I'm just going to select the film strip one because I feel like it's easier. And again, feather that out. Depending on like how, I guess, vibrant you want the color to like show. Again, scale that up. You can also use the split one if you'd like to just create this gradient pattern right here. And then I'm just going to add in this blue. At the top like so. And maybe like this at the bottom. I don't know. This color is gonna suit it. Oops. If you want to put it at the bottom, just rotate it and just like that, and you'll have this cool gradient pattern. And you can add it like to a text. I'm just going to do like one big letter. Okay, why is this not in caps lock? Okay, there you go. Just the font size, and I'm just going to select this. Make it like super like big as well so you can kind of see all the colors. I'm going to then put it like behind a black background here. So where is it? If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it, but I'm just going to leave it. Select both, right click, create compound clip, go to basic, go to blend mode and select the darken one, and you'll have this really cool gradient text effect as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!